So hello guys, today I will just teach you the best way of pyramid solving cube. Pyramid types cube solving, and first I will just make it unsolved. So just wait. The best way is you can solve the best way of learning how to solve this type of pyramid cube. You can learn from this channel because I show the best and the easiest way. Okay, you have to make these three corners of same color. This one, red, green, and yellow. Okay, you can just see it properly, and just we will choose the red color. Okay, so red color, this one, and this one, this, and this. Just we have made this three of same sides. Okay, so we will just solve the corners also, and just we will select yellow and red, where it is, so red and yellow here it is. Okay, so we will just see just red. We will do like this, this. Okay, so we have just make this corner of same color. Okay, so red and green now we will take. So red, green. Okay, this corner we have also solved, and red and blue we will just solve like this. This corner also solved. See, now the position came like this. See, now the position came like this. This yellow and green are just turned at the same color, just they are opposite. Okay, blue and yellow they are turned, green and yellow they are turned. So we will just not like this we will take, not like this we will take, we will just take this. Okay, just we will rotate at the right side, just like this. First you will start from the left side. Okay, this side, this, now right, now left, now right, left. Now we will just hold this one to upside, and just rotate like this one, left, right. Just we have solved it very easily. Okay, now sometimes the position came like this position most of you asked when we are solving like this. It again, we have to resolve it again. So the best way is here, green color you have, blue color you have to put here, yellow here. Okay, so we will just take yellow color, we will just rotate it from the opposite sides. Okay, yellow color here, then yellow to blue, blue to yellow. Okay, no, we cannot replace it yellow to yellow, so we have to just remove it from opposite sides. So we will start from left side only. One, 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 one. Oh, sorry. This, sorry, because of some problem it has been resolved again. I was just joking, it has not been resolved. I will just make it properly. See, yellow, blue, yellow. Okay, so yellow we have to rotate like this, opposite, and just we have solved it very easily. And if you please, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel Ekta Lifestyle, because it depends on you. You can only support us so for I can bring more interesting videos like this. And if you are getting more types of unsolved problems, so just you can follow me on Instagram. It is Apit Dixit FF, so you can just follow me there and ask me, and also you can comment how you like the video. Okay, thanks for watching.